Albert Einstein, 1879–1955. Einstein is renowned for his theory of relativity, including the famous equation E=mc², which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and energy. His work laid the foundation for modern physics and led to advancements in areas such as nuclear energy and the development of the atomic bomb. Marie Curie, 1867–1934. Curie was a pioneering physicist and chemist who discovered the radioactive elements polonium and radium. She coined the term radioactivity and conducted extensive research on its properties, leading to groundbreaking contributions in the fields of radiation therapy and nuclear physics. Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific disciplines. Isaac Newton, 1643–1727. Newton's discoveries in mathematics and physics transformed our understanding of the natural world. His laws of motion and universal law of gravitation provided a mathematical framework for describing the behavior of objects in motion and the force of gravity. Newton's work laid the foundation for classical mechanics and revolutionized the field of physics. Charles Darwin, 1809–1882. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection remains one of the most important scientific theories in history. Through extensive observations and analysis, Darwin proposed that species evolve over time through a process of natural selection, leading to the adaptation and diversification of life on Earth. His book on the origin of species presented evidence for the common ancestry of all species and challenged prevailing religious and scientific beliefs of his time. Rosalind Franklin, 1920–1958. Franklin was a chemist and X-ray crystallographer who played a crucial role in the discovery of the structure of DNA. Her X-ray diffraction images of DNA fibers provided key insights that enabled James Watson and Francis Crick to propose the double helix structure of DNA. Franklin's work laid the foundation for our understanding of the molecular structure of DNA and its role in heredity. Nikola Tesla, 1856–1943. Tesla was an electrical engineer and inventor who made significant contributions to the development of modern electrical systems. His work on alternating current, AC, laid the foundation for the widespread use of electricity in homes and industries. Tesla's inventions and discoveries include the AC induction motor and transformer, which revolutionized power transmission and distribution. Galileo Galilei, 1564–1642. Galileo was an astronomer, physicist, and mathematician who played a crucial role in the scientific revolution. He made significant astronomical observations using the telescope, supporting the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Copernicus. Galileo's work challenged prevailing beliefs of his time and laid the groundwork for modern observational astronomy and the scientific method. Alexander Fleming, 1881–1955. Fleming's accidental discovery of penicillin marked a major breakthrough in medicine. While studying bacteria, he noticed that a mold called Penicillium inhibited their growth. This led to the development of the first antibiotic, penicillin, which revolutionized the treatment of infectious diseases and saved countless lives. Ada Lovelace, 1815–1852. Lovelace, often regarded as the world's first computer programmer, collaborated with Charles Babbage on his analytical engine, an early mechanical computer. Lovelace recognized the potential of the machine beyond simple calculations and wrote the first algorithm designed specifically for it. Her visionary work laid the foundation for the development of computer programming. Carl Sagan, 1934–1996. Sagan was an astrophysicist, cosmologist, and science communicator who popularized science and astronomy. He made significant contributions to our understanding of planetary atmospheres and played a key role in the Voyager spacecraft mission. Sagan's book Cosmos and his television series of the same name inspired millions of people to appreciate the wonders of the universe and encourage scientific curiosity.
Thank you for watching the video. To watch more valuable videos like this, please subscribe the woxiwo channel and press the bell icon. And if there is anything you need to know, tell us. I will certainly provide information about it. Okay. Thanks again.